You pled no contest to trespassing.
That is correct, Judge.
I don't see where a bond was set unless you can tell me one on this, Lisa.
Don't matter, man. I'm not going to pay it anyway. I'm just going to stay here. So there you go.
Mr. Sorrell, just chill out. Let me finish. Let me try to do this right.
Yeah, whatever, Nelly. Hey, Nelly, whatever.
I'm going to move this out and I'll just let you sit in jail. Just let me deal with this. I'll be fair with you, but stop interrupting me and stop arguing with me, okay?
All right. There you go. There. Get by.
Lisa, did the judge, it looks like, I think it was Judge Tabby.
This is no ordinary trespass case. What you're about to see is a battle of patience between Judge McNally and a defendant who seems determined to push every button. Will the judge hold steady or finally break?
And what is the state of the felony? He's still in custody. I just took the waiver, and that's next Tuesday for arraignment on the information, right?
Correct.
I'm going to be more unfair with you, but you need to listen to me, Mr. Sorrell. Okay? Just please listen before I tell you what I'm going to do. And be respectful, and I'm going to be very fair with you. Okay? But you got to listen to me. What do you want to say? Anything?
Judge, today's the time set for sentencing. I don't believe that there was a PSI on this.
W837169A, 25W837500, 24W837169B, and 25B147474. All right, counsel, your appearance.
Thank you, Judge, and good morning. For the record, House Counsel, Attorney Mike Baldwin, P65417, on behalf of all four matters. Judge, today's the date and time set on...
Mr. Sorrell, you have to unmute, sir.
Today's the date and time set...
Hang on. I got to get him on record.
Yes,
wait.
Judge.
Mr. Sorrell, I need you to unmute there on your left, up near the device there.
There, it don't matter. Go ahead.
Your name?
Oh, here we go again. All them tickets you gave me for nothing, all your cops. Gregory Sell, yeah, crossing the street, man, 10 tickets. Gregory Sell, there you go, all your cops. Gregory Sell, especially one. Gregory Sell, you know it. I gotta say it again.
You pled no contest to trespassing.
That is correct, Judge.
I don't see where a bond was set unless you can tell me one on this, Lisa.
Don't matter, man. I'm not going to pay it anyway. I'm just going to stay here. So there you go.
Mr. Sorrell, just chill out. Let me finish. Let me try to do this right.
Yeah, whatever, Nelly. Hey, Nelly, whatever. I don't care. I'm sick of this crap. Your cops giving me 10 tickets for crossing the street. I'm sick of it. Yeah, look at them. They're crossing the street, man, waiting across. I had one drink and went across the street, and he's trying to get drunk.
Mr. Sorrell, Mr. Sorrell.
I don't care, man. Get me off here.
Just wait a second. Will you please?
Go ahead and please. I don't care. But
I don't know what you're telling me you don't care about. You've got a,
it says your cops keep stopping me, man. 20 tickets for what? Crossing the street, taking my cart on ice and having to go on the road for a minute. They go, when it was icy, man. That's what their tickets, a lot of them for. That's what I'm talking about. And hey, they shun the homeless. That's what's up, man. I know your cops. What they would especially what they. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. So what?
Just wait. Just calm down.
There's no calming down with your cops, man. 20 tickets.
They're not my cops. They don't work for me. I have nothing to do with them.
They send you
Stop.
There you go.
If you want.
Notice how the defendant turns his trespass charges into a full-blown attack on the system. But here's the legal twist. The judge isn't here to retry all those tickets, just this specific trespass case. Who do you think is really in control here?
I'm going to move this out and I'll just let you sit in jail. Just let me deal with this. I'll be fair with you, but stop interrupting me and stop arguing with me, okay?
All right. There you go. There. Get by.
Lisa, Lisa, did the judge, it looks like, I think it was Judge Tabby, did he set a bond on this trespassing case?
No, after this case, he was picked up on a felony. So we did a writ to get him out today.
Yeah. And what is the state of the felony? He's still in custody. I just took the waiver, and that's next Tuesday for arraignment on the information, right?
Correct.
I'm gonna be more unfair with you, but you need to listen to me, Mr. Sorrell. Okay, just please listen before I tell you what I'm gonna do. And be respectful, and I'm gonna be very fair with you. Okay? But you gotta listen to me. What do you want to say? Anything?
Judge, today's the time set for sentencing. I don't believe that there was a PSI on this. It's trespass. It was no contest. If my memory serves me correctly, I don't have the notes from last time. I believe that we were going to hold the other proceedings, 69A, B, and 500, because I believe Judge Kirsten was on bench at that time. And I do believe that there may have been consideration for a dismissal on one, if not two of these contempts.
For what?
I have to see the files, Your Honor.
No, it just addressed the trespassing. It was a no contest plea.
And I was present on that day. So those are in default, the 69AD and 500. Obviously, I'm going to ask for time served, any jail credit. As we know, Mr. Sorrell in the community, he is not gainfully employed. He is mentally challenged. He is competent. And we're just going to ask for some jail credit and close the file.
Anything you want to say, Mr. Sorrell?
No, except for everyone shuns the hall. I went in to warm up the laundromat the one time and fell asleep, and they gave me a ticket for that. And I spent money in there. And the one charge, I know I can't bring it up, but I was not guilty. I just didn't want to stay in county, and I went for that. None of them other charges are true. Every one of them, except for this last one, that cop deserved it because he kept on giving me tickets for laying stuff. Crossing the street, go up 100 yards and cross the street when I walk 20 miles already. I'm going to go up to the corner 100 yards and cross the street instead of going straight across the street. No, I'm not. So there you go. So they can give me tickets for that all day long. I'm not going to walk an extra 100 yards and cross at the lights. Sorry. Now when I walk 20 miles a day already, no way. So they give me lane tickets all day long for that because I'm not going to walk 100 yards up to the light to cross. That's what them tickets, a lot of them are for lately. Yeah, that same cop, P-Brain. I call him.
Okay.
There you go. That's what I got to say. There you go, P-Brain. And P-Brain had it coming, and that's what I'm going to say in court. He had it coming, he did it, because he kept on harassing me.
All right. All right. I've heard enough now.
All right, I'm
I've
done.
heard enough. Do you remember what I said? I said I'm gonna be very fair with you if you're respectful.
All right,
Stop.
I'm
You're
done.
so, Mr. Sorrell.
I told you the truth. I'm done. There you go, I'm done. Done.
I don't know why at the age of, you're younger than me by 2 years. I don't know why at 64, you would be so angry all the time. There's like, we're not.
You got stopped over 100 times. Let me talk one more time. Over 100 times, man. Look it up for nothing for like going in a laundromat or gas stations and stuff, man. Kicked out for witnessing for Jesus because it's Muslims that don't like me because they own the gas stations. That's why. You wouldn't like it either. You wouldn't.
All right. I've heard enough. Lisa, I want you to mute Mr. Sorrell so he doesn't interrupt me again, but he will be able to hear me. I don't know why you're so angry, sir. You constantly are in here. I've tried with you. I don't know what else to do with you. We've had more cases with you, I think, than anybody else in the last year and a half. I could stand corrected. Maybe somebody else is on there more, but they're going to put them on the front of the American Bar Journal or something and say, this guy really gets in trouble. Now, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't understand why you're doing this, but I'm still going to be fair. I'm giving you credit for time served on all these. There was no bond set. I'm going to make the assumption that the judge would have set a cash bond of some type. And therefore, since you've been in custody since February the 26th, at least on this, which is 28 days, all these civil infractions, you get credit, 1 day credit for every $10 served on that. Trespass, 10 days jail, credit 10. As far as these cases are concerned, I'm releasing you and giving you credit.
In the end, Judge MCN chose fairness over frustration, giving credit for time served and releasing the defendant. This clash raises a bigger question. Should repeated defiance be met with patience or punishment? What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom moments.
Wish you well, and that's all I can say. Good luck to you, sir.